On a pleasant good Thursday morning. It's March the 14th, 2024. It's also a National Pie Day. Like the 3 easy numbers to remember. Yep, for pie lovers and for pizza lovers too. Well, the Dodgers are heading to Korea. Meanwhile, the Angels still continue their spring training as they play the White Sox. And also happy birthdays going out to Quincy Jones, who's already 91 years young. Also to Billy Crystal, Kevin Brown, Steph Curry, and to Bobby Jenks. Also to the late Albert Einstein and to Kirby Puckett as well. And yeah. So yes, only a month left in the regular season in the NBA. And yeah, the Suns play the Celtics, the Thunder play the Mavs, and the Bulls play the Clippers. Yeah, the play-in tournament, wow. Like I said, if you're the 9-10 seed, you have to win both games. If you're 7-8, you just need to win one. And it's going to be windy today and warmer too, so have a great Thursday. I'll catch you later.